All right, now that I have deep cleaned everything, which took forever and was really nasty, I'm ready to tape off everything. I did not find my usual front tape, so I'm trying the Tesa Excellent tape, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, I have taped off everything to the best of my ability, and I'm using a product that I have no idea about because obviously we're new here. Every product is different, and I'll just have to hope for the best. It's a water-based white paint that supposedly you don't really need to prepare other than obviously clean your surface. It has a pretty long drying time, so you can dry to the touch-ish 1 hour, 12 hours recoat, and completely dry after 24 hours. So obviously, yeah, let's give it a go. There's some sort of additive that I have to add to the paint. That is if I can open this thing in the first place. Oh. Note to self, wear gloves before starting. Now, it was recommended to use a roller with this, but I don't know if you can see, the tile is pretty textured, so I don't know how well the roller is actually going to apply the paint. So I have a bunch of paint brushes as well. I really hope I can roll the majority, because it would be a pain in the ass if I couldn't. As you can see, I'm a bit uncoordinated. I don't really know what I'm doing. Wow, after a moment of utter and sheer panic, we have finished everything. I'm mildly traumatized, because I think there was a mixture of, they had done a really bad job, so there was grout coming out, and that was just mixing into the paint, plus it's pretty warm here, so the paint dried really fast, so I had to work really quickly, and just not being used to the paint and doing it for the first time, so I had a mild panic and I had to turn off the camera and yeah, have a look at the result. So I'll definitely do another coat, but I have to say the paint actually levels nicely, because initially I was like, oh my god, what's with this texture? But as I said, it's coming out okay. I'll go back a bit. It's not too bad. It's better than it was before. Yeah, so tomorrow comes coat number 2. Stay tuned.